What's up guys? So welcome to my channel DJ Kid. In today's video, just wanted to touch upon Bitcoin and a few of the other crypto assets here, and just take a look at the market as a whole really, and just give you guys an update on kind of what I see to be playing out or happening. So if we take a look at crypto, the crypto market cap at the moment is 974 billion. That's 0.7% up in the last 24 hours. So we can see here the two dominant assets, Bitcoin and Ethereum, in the greens in the last 24 hours and over the course of the last 7 days as well. Rest of the coins, especially in like the top 50 odd or so, haven't really moved much, and there's not really, I guess, much movement there in the last 24 hours and so on. Bitcoin today is trading at 19.5k, so $19,000, 548, and ETH, we can see here, is currently at 1.3. So we've been ranging sideways for quite some time now, especially with Bitcoin and some of the other assets as well. So I know ETH as well has been ranging sideways. So we really just need either a breakout or something to happen within the market. If we take a look at Bitcoin on the daily. So I've got the 50 day moving average there, so we can see that we're currently trading below that 50-day moving average, and it looks like we're kind of using that 50-day as a in the last few days anyways, we've been using it as a resistance band and just dropping down from that point onwards. And if we add in the Bollinger Band, so we can see what's kind of going on. So if we look at the Bollinger Band, sorry, there's it's become very narrow, and that purely is because because of the whole way that we've been trading at the moment. So if we look at this kind of range here, let's get that right. So yeah, we've just literally, there's not really been much volatility. We've only really bounced around that kind of not 18.6 level to 22. That was a one-off, but realistically after that we've kind of just been bouncing around these areas here. So 18.4 to around 20, and yeah, we've just literally just bounced around that kind of area there. So not really much happening there, but it has meant that then we've kind of reduced the volatility within the Bollinger Band. So you can see it's very narrow now. We are kind of moving upwards to that upper band, but again, not really much distance to cover. That upper band is at around $20,000. That's not to say that we're not going to move downwards as well. So we could potentially move downwards to the lower end of the band, which is around 18.7k. And if we just take a look at the stochastic RSI, so let's just add that in. So here, stochastic on the daily, so longer term, is showing that the asset is oversold, sorry, and we can see we're currently ranging up slightly there, so we're kind of moving within that to that 50 odd range within the stochastic. And generally, when we are out of those ranges, when we're below the 20 range, the asset is generally seen as oversold, and when we're above that 80 range, we're generally seen as overbought. So we're kind of ranging in the middle there. So yeah, it doesn't really give us much indication, but on a 4 hourly, let's just see what's happening. So on the 4 hourly, it looks like we've hit the upper side of the band, and also the stochastic is shown as the asset has been as overbought. So what that indicates is that we could probably see a drop in the Bitcoin price there, and also stochastic is showing confirmation. In terms of short term, we're probably headed back down towards that kind of maybe 19.3 or so. I know it's not really much to really talk about, not really a great movement, but yeah, we're probably headed down to around that 19.3 level, which is our 50-day moving average and could potentially be our support level as well. So yeah, that's kind of what it looks like on a shorter time frame. But generally, I look at the daily and I kind of trade off the daily. So at the moment, we're still ranging sideways, and longer term, I'm definitely bullish, and as we all are in the crypto space. But at the moment, it's not really much to to really talk about in terms of crypto and Bitcoin, I guess, at the moment, just from a trading point of view, because we are just ranging sideways and it is a little bit boring at the moment, but we need some sort of breakout to really give us confirmation of which way the market will be moving. So yeah, guys, give me your thoughts, give me your opinions. Hit me up in the comments below, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace out.